The motivation for me to doing such a customer project is actually to practice the methods I learned and I'm interested in, especially the correlation and coupling. So in this game, I do class entity, and I also separate cell ball methods group with the player bar methods group, and do a lot of methods group. Try to make good correlation inside the module, while do good coupling between different module. As I think I work this successfully and make things worse. So there are no repeated coding in this customer program for 3 times. So it has a very good maintenance. Another thing is about the data parsing and customer data type. So I actually use 2D array and customer classes to do this thing. So in my class entity, I also embedded methods. So every class entity being created can inherit abstract methods from its parents and can be used directly. This dramatically increases the code maintainability and readability. I also do a lot of search on the performance in the structured programming. One thing I find critically interesting is that goto and the global variable is some part of the structured programming. Well, there are some doubts on goto and structure and goto and global variables. So in this game, I didn't use them. Actually, I use one global variable, but no more than that. I use that because it is necessary to avoid violation in the data parsing. Otherwise, the data parsing chain is too huge. But anyway, the extra things I was trying to using as an advanced pattern is the network and DB. I don't want to be stuck on the software development itself. I want to see how the connection between the software development and the larger scale internet. So I use MySQL database. In this term, I also use XAMPP control panel and Apex service. I fully understand how the Apex server was working and I can set up itself. So yeah, generally that's all. I didn't take much challenge since if I really do a report for my understanding or of all my research and reading, I think I can write 10 pages. But that's for this video.